Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, you can learn another very important aspect, the subtle yet important difference between rules and reality or grammar versus day-to-day usage. Of course, every language will have some exceptions where it will not follow grammar in certain cases. If you're new to this channel, you can check the 150 plus videos just by clicking that arrow a little below the arrow. You'll find an icon there. By clicking there, it takes you to 150 plus videos. As you already know, O is your, and that is what we use when we talk to someone in informal terms. And unga when we talk to someone with respect. Here we shall leave out plural. We are talking only about one person. O and unga. Your and your. What is in your bag? Imagine you're asking that little boy, "Om payila enna irukku?" We are using om because he's a small little boy. Om payila enna irukku? Om payila enna irukku? What is your father doing? உன் அப்பா என்ன பண்றாரு? Or பண்றாங்க. Grammatically it is correct because you're talking to a small boy. But it is somewhat rude and disrespectful. If there are people sitting around, they are going to take it wrong. Here you're not talking about a bag, but about the kid's father who commands some respect. Therefore, I will advise you against using this. There can be an exception which we shall see towards the end of the video. The right way to ask that is, "Unga appa enna pandranga?" Though you may have used own to the boy for many other things, when you talk about his father, you should ideally use unga. Whereas, "Un thambi enna pandran?" It is okay. What is your younger brother doing? That is totally okay. Unga appa enna pandraru? Or unga appa enna pandranga? I mentioned of some exception to the rule. Here it is. When elders talk about younger ones, particularly in a close-knit relationship, it is okay to use om. What is your mother doing? Here the granddad is talking to his grandson and is inquiring about the kid's mom, who also happens to be his own daughter. Therefore, he can use unga or om. It is totally his choice. There's nothing wrong about using o amma. Unga or o amma enna pannikittu irukanga. Or o amma enna pannittu irukku. Or as in some dialects, "உன் அம்மா என்ன பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கா?" In the same way, "உன் அப்பா என்ன பண்றாரு?" is okay if the kid is his son's son. But even if it is his son-in-law who he is inquiring about, it is okay. It is not a serious mistake. It's mostly about context and how close you are, your style of speech, dialect, everything comes into account. Conclusion. It is advisable to use unga if you're inquiring about someone to whom you would use neenga if you talk to him or her in person. This is more of cultural nuance than grammar and rules. உன் அம்மா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? உன் அம்மா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? உன் அம்மா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா? I hope you're also checking Instagram, where you'll find many simple posts that can help you to retain in your mind these subtle things. Best wishes. You can subscribe and like and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos.